Let's be real. Your 20s are a chaotic blend of TikTok binges, Venmo requests, and that sinking feeling when your bank account hits double digits before payday. You're not just adulting. You're surviving a financial obstacle course where student loans, rent hikes, and the siren song of DoorDash are all out to wreck your vibe. But here's the plot twist. You can save money, crush debt, and still afford that concert ticket. No, you don't have to live on ramen. Let's turn you into the hero of your own money story. Meet Sarah, your 20-something financial sidekick. Sarah, 23, is a barista-turned-social media manager in Denver. She's got $22,000 in student loans, a Spotify hotch wanna escape paycheck-to-paycheck purgatory. But Sarah's about to unlock her financial superpowers, and so are you. But who is the villain of this story? It's your financial stress, your sleep paralysis demon. Financial stress is that uninvited guest who crashes your party and drinks all your La Croix. It's why you panic swipe decline on group trips, lie about being too busy for brunch, and feel like you'll never catch up to your TikTok FYP's hashtag van life influencers. Here's the cold, hard truth. 45% of Americans in their 20s have less than $1,000 in savings, and the average Gen Zer has $12,000 in debt. Sarah's story doesn't end here, and neither does yours. The wake-up call. Why is my card declining? Sarah's rock-bottom moment. Getting rejected for a studio apartment because her credit score was lower than her Starbucks orders calorie count. Turns out, I'll figure it out later wasn't a solid financial plan. Cue the superhero training montage. Your financial superpowers. 1. Budget like a boss, without the boring spreadsheets. Forget restrictive budgets that make you want to scream into a pillow. The 50-30-20 rule is your new BFF. Spend 50% on needs like rent, utilities, actual groceries, not just Trader Joe's frozen pizzas, 30% on wants like concerts, Tinder dates, and the dopamine hit of online shopping, and 20% on savings and debt, emergency fund, retirement, and attacking debt like it owes you money. Sarah tried this and realized she was blowing $200 per month on forgotten subscriptions. By switching to a cheaper phone plan and actually meal prepping, she freed up cash. Boom, $150 a month back in her pocket. Pro tip, apps like Rocket Money hunt down sneaky subscriptions. It's like Tinder, but for canceling your $9.99 a month meditation app you used once. 2. Build an emergency fund, your oh shit shield. Your emergency fund shouldn't be your dad's Venmo or credit card. Start with $500, then aim for 3 to 6 months expenses. Stash it in a high-yield savings account. Ally or Marcus works, where it earns 4% plus interest, aka free money while you sleep. Sarah's hack, she automated $50 from every paycheck into savings. Out of sight, out of mind, but very much there when her car's transmission quit. 3. Slay debt like it's a multi-level marketing scheme. Debt is the toxic ex that won't stop texting. Sarah had $5,000 in credit card debt, thanks Coachella 2022, and $22,000 in student loans. Her game plan: first, avalanche method that focuses on paying off the highest interest rate first, then move to the next highest, and so on. Sarah nuked the 24% APR credit card first. Second, snowball method for quick wins. This method focuses on paying off the smallest balance first, then move to the next smallest, and so on. Sarah paid off her $800 Afterpay balance. For student loans, she switched to an income-driven repayment plan, federal loans, and refinanced her private loans. Pro move: use Student Loan Planner to avoid dumpster fire decisions. 4. Retirement savings. Yes, even if you're broke, retirement feels as distant as Mariah Carey's high notes, but your 20s are the VIP ticket to compound growth. Sarah's strategy: maxed out her employer's 401k match, free money alert, opened a Roth IRA because tax-free growth in retirement is equals to chef's chef's kiss. Fun fact, invest $300 per month at 25 and you'll have over $1 million by 65. At 35, just $500,000. Math doesn't lie. 5. Live below your means, but still live. Live below your means doesn't mean eating cereal for dinner. Sarah's glow-up. Downsized to a slightly less Insta-worthy apartment with a roommate. Swapped Uber for public transit and podcasts. Hosted aesthetic potlucks instead of $18 avocado toast brunches. Result? She saved $400 per month. That's a flight to Mexico, baby. 6. Side hustle like you're in a Beyoncé video. Sarah turned her thrift-flipping hobby into $300 a month on Depop. Other gigs for the hustle-averse. Dog walking via Rover. Get paid to pet golden retrievers. Selling unused gift cards on Card Cash. Tutoring college kids on Zoom. Charge $40 hour to explain Excel. 7. Automate everything. Your future self will thank you. Sarah set up auto pay for bills, auto transfers to savings, and auto investing in her Roth IRA. It's like setting cruise control on your finances. No more late fees or guilt trips. But here's the plot twist. Money wins are addictive. 6 months later, Sarah's emergency fund hit $3,000. Her credit score jumped 80 points, and she's 30% through her debt payoff plan. She even booked a weekend Airbnb with friends, without a credit card hangover. And don't ignore the final boss, that is. Avoiding money traps, like credit card balances. Treat them like expired milk. Pay in full every time. FOMO spending. Unfollow influencers. Follow budget memes instead. Ignoring insurance. Renter's insurance is $12 per month. Replacing your laptop is $1,200. You do the math. Your 20s are about building habits, not perfection. Forgot to budget last week? Forgive yourself. Accidentally spent $75 on a night out? Same. Just course correct. Share this video with your group chat. Start a no-spend challenge. Venmo your friend $5 if you cave and order seamless. Because let's be real, adulting is just a series of figuring out which app to delete for $4.99 per month. But with these superpowers, you've got this. Drop this emoji in the comments if you're ready to glow up your finances.